Hello and welcome to a new video of Medicalable. Today's video is about what happens when you don't brush your teeth, so let's get started. So what happens? Do you start losing your teeth gradually until you become toothless, or do you just replace them like baby teeth, or is it always reversible and you can repair it no matter what? Oh well, it really depends on so many factors. First, let's talk about what is going on in the mouth. We mainly have teeth, tongue and saliva. The saliva is 99.5% water with other organic and mineral substances. The organic part is composed of lipids, proteins and glossids, and they play a very important role, especially the carbs. Even when we're not eating, we always have a non-microbial acquired film on the surface of the enamel which sticks there very well. So what happens when we eat? That plaque sticks even more. The bacterium with the carbs produces a very specific type of acids, which is the lactic acid, and from that we get to cavities. But how do we really get there? To be honest, it's so simple yet too dangerous. The more sugar you have, the more acid you produce, and more acid means drop of pH. Acid level of pH means more demineralization, and slowly but surely we get to small cavities and then to big ones. So does that mean you should just cut off sugar? It depends on so many factors such as the quantity, the type of sugar, when and how to brush, and nutrition. It also depends on the person itself and genetics. You can see that the quantity of sugar in 200 grams of apples, which is like 2 apples, have more sugar than 100 grams of ice cream, but that doesn't mean you should get ice cream over apples because they don't contain the same type of sugar. Natural sugar that you find in fruits generally, for example, takes only 5 minutes for the mouth to get rid of it. Meanwhile, the added sugar takes from 15 to 40 minutes. So when you consume it, you will get 40 minutes of destruction in your teeth every time. But you can prevent that with a simple brushing session after each time you consume that sugary meal, and you are good to go. Doesn't mean you are 100% off that sugar and the damage, but you are in a safe zone. Finally, does it only affect your teeth? Yes, sadly no. Other than the excruciating pain you get, it doesn't stop there. You will experience bleeding, nausea, swelling, headache and earache, and even fever in most extreme cases left untreated. After that, the infection is able to spread up to your eyes, lungs, brain, and eventually to your whole body, causing sepsis, and that's how you get one of the most painful and dangerous things simply by not brushing. What should you do then? Brush after every meal and at least meals with carbs, and go to your dentist, especially in emergencies.